In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close a Hotmail or Outlook.com account. We'll walk through the official Microsoft process from start to finish so you can confidently retire an email address without unexpected charges or surprises. Start by opening a web browser and going to your Microsoft account homepage. If you're not already signed in, sign in so you can access your settings and services. Before closing anything, visit the subscription section. This is where Microsoft lists any paid services tied to your account. Take a moment to review what's active and cancel anything you no longer need. This helps prevent future charges and ensures your account can be closed without billing issues. Give each subscription a moment to process its cancellation and make sure you see confirmation on screen. Next, head to your info on the account dashboard. Here, you'll find the option to close your account. Click the Close Account link to begin the closure process. Microsoft may guide you through a support page that explains what closing a Microsoft account actually means. Remember, your Hotmail or Outlook.com address is part of a broader Microsoft account, so this affects more than email. Sign in again when prompted, using the credentials for the exact account you want to delete. This double sign in step helps ensure you're closing the right account. For security, you may also be asked to enter a verification code sent to your email or phone. Enter the code to continue. Microsoft will then show you a clear list of services and data you'll lose access to when the account closes. Read this carefully. It can include your email inbox, OneDrive files, Skype, Xbox profiles or purchases, and other Microsoft services linked to this account. Make sure you've saved anything important and communicated any new contact details to people who might email you. You'll be asked to choose a grace period, either 30 or 60 days. This is a waiting window before permanent deletion. Pick the time frame that gives you enough room to change your mind or recover anything you might have missed. A longer window provides extra peace of mind. Next, select a reason from the drop-down menu for why you're closing the account. This feedback helps Microsoft improve the experience but doesn't change the outcome. Finally, click Mark Account for closure. From this point, your account enters the grace period. If you decide not to close it, simply sign back in during that window to automatically cancel the closure. If you don't return, Microsoft will permanently delete the account once the grace period ends.